Hey guys, Kyle Colbert here, and I'm here with my dad, Dr. Don Colbert, and today we're talking about a tough topic for me, nightshades. I love salsa, I love paprika, I love dishes like from Chipotle, and Dad, you're telling me I need to cut these out of my diet during the detox?
Absolutely, Kyle. Nightshades, including tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, eggplant, and paprika, cause inflammation and pain in many people, especially in their fingers and knees and other joints. And so we're cutting this out during the detox in order to give your body a chance to reset and heal. Nightshades include common foods like potatoes, tomatoes, peppers, eggplant, and paprika. These foods are fine for many people, but for certain individuals like myself who used to have an autoimmune disease, which was psoriasis, or those with osteoarthritis, they can usually trigger inflammation.
What's the connection between nightshades and inflammation, Dad?
Nightshades contain compounds called alkaloids, one of them which is solanine, and these can cause inflammation in some people, and I was one of those people. For example, in the early 1990s, I struggled with psoriasis over much of my body, and this is an autoimmune condition. But when I removed nightshades, especially salsa, from my diet as well as gluten, my symptoms went away and I overcame psoriasis completely. Now, many of my patients have had similar experiences, and I've seen people with osteoarthritis or joint pain, especially in the fingers, eliminate nightshades for just a few weeks and notice their pain, stiffness, and swelling improve dramatically.
Okay, so this isn't forever, right?
Correct. During this 21-day detox, we're just cutting out nightshades for 3 weeks. Afterwards, you can slowly reintroduce them to see how your body reacts. It's a temporary reset to identify potential sensitivities.
I remember when you were formulating Green Supreme food, you insisted on no tomatoes or peppers. I asked you why, especially since tomatoes have lycopene, and you said, Kyle, just trust me.
That's right, Kyle. It's not just about the next 3 weeks, but it's about creating a foundation of health that literally lasts the rest of your life. Many green powders on the market contain nightshades like tomatoes or peppers or paprika. That's why I made sure Green Supreme Food was free of these nightshades. Green Supreme Food is designed to be gentle and effective for detoxification and inflammation support. Now, during the detox, you may notice significant improvements in your health, like less joint pain, reduced inflammation, improved energy levels. Even if you think you're not sensitive to nightshades, give this a try. You might be surprised by the results.
Okay, guys, no nightshades for 3 weeks. It's just 21 days, and we can do this together.
Now remember, this is about giving your body a chance to restore, rebuild, and renew. And by removing nightshades, this could be the key to unlocking better health for you.
So share your progress with us, both in our Facebook community group or email us at info@21daydetox.com. We'll see you in the next video.
Guys, we're so proud of you. We love you. We're with you, and we're going to see you through this. Stay committed. Stay strong. We're with you.